Save the newly captured trajectory. Multiple trajectories can be captured and saved. Open and check if the saved trajectory is correct. Select Trajectory Polling. Click Select. Select the trajectory records that need to be pulled. Click Select. Click Save. Close the software and reopen it. The top of the page will display the prompt Select Record Successfully Test 1. Click Start to begin executing the trajectory for Test 1. After the trajectory for Test 1 is completed, the prompt Select Record Successfully Test 2 will be displayed above. Click Start to begin executing the trajectory for Test 2. After the trajectory for Test 2 is completed, the prompt Select Record Successfully Test 3 will be displayed above. Click Start to begin executing the trajectory for Test 3. After the Test 3 trajectory welding is completed, the polling will automatically display the prompt Select Record Successfully Test 1 and begin a new round of polling.